I'm standing at my living room in front of the Christmas tree with my family around me. My uncle is searching for my gift on a huge gift pile. He finds it and starts smiling while handing it to me. I'm hoping for a cool toy to play with, but the format of the gift doesn't look very promising. I unwrap the present excited, but quickly I discovered that it's just a book. Later that night, I placed my new book beside the others that I still didn't read. I hate reading. Books are boring. Why should I read a story when I can just watch it? In school, I was supposed to read a lot of books, and honestly, each of them was more boring than the previous one. Books suck. 20 years later, I'm in a similar situation. It's Christmas time. We are in a different house, and sadly my family has lost a few members. We are all older now, so we have much less gifts to receive, unfortunately. This time it was my brother who gave me a book, The Power of Habits. As I really liked the topic of self-development, I considered giving reading a chance. A couple of months forward, I was sitting in my balcony enjoying the sun, eating a cookie and reading my brother's gift. I was reading about an experiment with a rat, a maze and a chocolate bar, and how the rat would create a habit of the path to the chocolate in his brain by repeating the experiment dozens of times and being rewarded by the chocolate always in the same place. It made so much sense. I was starting to get how habits work. This was super interesting, and I was only at the beginning of the book. It felt like I had just found gold. I couldn't believe how awesome this book was, and I wanted to read all of it. And that's when I realized that I didn't hate reading. I just had in the past the wrong books in my hands. I wasn't bored, I was excited. I became obsessed with habits. Recently I had seen a Netflix series about Bill Gates, where he told that when he wanted to know more about a topic, he would pick a handful of books about it and just read them all. So I searched for books about habits, and I found Atomic Habits, Tiny Habits, and the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. I just bought them all and started reading. Nowadays, when I hear about an interesting book like Why We Sleep, about how sleep works, I just add them to my list to read later. Each book I read is even more amazing than the previous one. The best part of reading is the ability it has to make me think and learn about new topics I would never have if I didn't read the book. While we can watch videos about it, the deeper details, the thoughts that it sparks are just unique from reading. And truly, we can lose everything in life, but no one can take away our knowledge. That's why knowledge is more valuable than money, and that's why I'm so focused in learning and understanding how things work. And while my main reason for reading is this one, I also felt another benefits from reading. Reading calms me down. It is really relaxing to just sit and read. Quality alone time. It also made me more focused. At least I think that's because of it. I noticed that after a couple of years reading almost every day, I gained a stronger control of my concentration. But this is a skill that requires practice and time, and I still have a long way to go. I can't close the video without sharing one more thought with you. Before I discovered reading, I thought that if something huge and important was discovered in the world, that it would be spread, maybe in the news or through some courses or I don't know. Like, if there is a wrong thing that everyone is doing and someone discovered how bad it is, that it would get noticed. Sadly, I found out that it is rarely true. One of the latest examples is how much our society knows about sleep. People are dying. Companies are losing millions by not being concerned about their employees' sleep. What I've learned is so game-changing and surprisingly, no one knows. No one cares. After learning these things in books, I discovered that there are gold mines out there, but if I don't search for them, they will not reach me easily. And these gold mines are books. Reading is key to being successful and getting ahead in life. And as I learned in the book Why We Sleep, What is also really important is to sleep well. During sleep is when we save our learnings from the day in our brain. So check out my latest video about how to fix your sleep. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribe. Thank you for watching.